And now I just wait by the telephone. You ain't coming back and I should've known. And that's why I'm too sad to dance. Oh, da-da-dum, 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 dum, da-da-da-da-da-dum. That's why I'm too sad to dance. This morning I knocked your door just to admit my flaws, but you said you've heard it all before. And this Christmas I got no gift. Do I really deserve all this? So I head straight down to the liquor store.